Well, hello, and welcome back to my channel. And I'm here to say that the public spoke, and I, or dare I say we, listened. If I can go so far as to say the public in a somewhat plural form when it was really a singular voice I got feedback from. And that's a message in and of itself because just one voice can make a difference. That's right. So use your voice, your unique voice, to make a difference in the world for our kingdom living here on earth. So let's get started with what that um, what that feedback was. Okay, so the feedback was that it seemed strange, which was not totally something that you wouldn't expect on a channel called Strange Me Enough. But a little, what's the word that I'm looking for? I don't want to say off putting, but um, maybe it just incohesive to see a grown woman, myself, kind of speaking in a baby voice, right? Most of the time, um, and giving rather complex or um, yeah, I would say advanced types of lessons on things of theology, um, relationships, and just in general, those uh, types of things that are of interest to me. And so the the note was taken that maybe I should take that voice and put it into a form of communication and um, entertainment, I will say, that I have long had an interest in, which is puppetry. So today I'm here to respond, and I wanted to let you know that I had created this video before, and it was failed because of technology. I was actually really happy with the video that I made before, so it was hard to kind of get myself together and just redo it, and that's what I'm doing. But one of the fun improvisations that occurred during that video, and one reason why I can say we, as opposed in addition to the fact that I was already intending to introduce someone else here today, was that my cat Petunia had just walked right through the screen, and I'll say our cat too. She really is my son and I's cat, and so uh, we've had her since he was in the third grade, and he'll be turning 20 this week or next week. So within the week, so like she's an older cat, right? So it was kind of funny because I was talking about being an older woman, and her name is Petunia. She has a name based from a character in a book called named Petunia. So Petunia is a silly goose, and she wears that name while she has lived up to the character of Petunia in that story. And on that subject, you know that I do love one of the other subjects that I do love and have shared on this channel is children's literature. So if you're interested, hey, I'm willing to set up a Zoom call and read some children's literature live, which I think will not be breaking any copyright laws. So I, with no further ado, would like to let you know kind of the new course of the channel and introduce you to someone here tonight. And is that my cue? Oh, yeah. Okay, just checking. Well, hello. Are you shy? No. I was just pretending to be. So, how's everybody doing out there? So that was kind of one of the reasons for our message here today is that you don't have to pretend, okay? Like this lady here. Oh, right. Yeah, she's pretending to be a lot younger than she really is. Right, I am getting up there. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So we decided that I could come on the scene. I was good with that. Cause yeah, I mean she's a talker. Gonna be a little hard to share the screen and the air time. Yeah. Well, I'm working on it, and I think that this is a good opportunity for that too, isn't it? Yeah. For me to keep working on that. Yeah. Exactly. So, well, what I wanted to tell you today is you don't have to pretend to be something that you're not. Because God has given you a very unique voice. And when you pretend to be something that you're not, that's not right! Yeah. I agree. And sometimes you really can sense and feel that voice that you just used. Like you're just screaming inside, right? Mm-hmm. That's why I said that. Yeah. So I just wanted to start with that because the name of the channel and all it's strangely enough because everybody has their unique self. And it's enough. God created you like that. Okay? So, I think I've said enough. How about you? Yeah. Yeah, I've kind of said enough too tonight. I feel like I responded to our public and I'm really glad that we are going to be able to work together on this. Yeah, me too. I think this is a good partnership. Mm-hmm. So, with no further ado, I'll just say, that's all I gotta say about that. And sayonara, arrivederci. Good night. See you next time.